Okay, now let's continue to add rational expressions. And over here we have 2 over x plus 5 over 4x. And in order to get started, we are going to need a common denominator. And we don't have that right now. We have an x and we have 4x. So what I'll need to do is actually somehow make them the same. And in this case, I can just multiply the first fraction by 4 over 4. That way, I'm going to get a 4x down at the bottom over here. And up top, 4 times 2 is 8. So we have 8 over 4x plus 5 over 4x. So that's how we get a common denominator in this case. So now we can combine the two fractions with just 1 4x down at the bottom, because that's the common denominator, and combine the 8 and the 5. So we have 8 plus 5. Okay, now 8 plus 5 is 13, all over 4x. And that's it. We can't go any further. That is our final answer for the addition of these two rational expressions. So what about over here? We have 2x over 18y plus 1 plus 5x all over 6y. Again, we need a common denominator, and we have 18y and 6y, and we can very easily get a common denominator of 18y, which would be the least common denominator. So what I'll do is that I'll multiply the second fraction here by 3 over 3, and I need to have everything in the numerator in brackets. So right now I'm just going to leave the first fraction untouched, and I'll distribute the 3 over here to get 3 plus 15x all over 6y times 3, just 18y. Oh, and had forgotten the y over here. Sorry about that. Okay, at this point we can combine the fractions. So I can just write 18y down at the bottom once, and up top I have 2x plus 3 plus 15x. Okay, let's continue. So 2x plus 15x is 17x plus 3 all over 18y. And that is our final answer, because we can't simplify it any further. And we're done.